Guys, I'm still up here, by the way. Foxy, just take the dang medicine. Okay. Here goes nothing. Oh, I feel much better. Good job. Now I gotta get Monkey off there. It hurt. It hurt. Why? Why do that? Why pull me by my poor little legs? They're broken. Ah, you're fine. Oh, so you get him medicine just from a little cough. But you won't help my poor little legs. Oh yeah, you gotta be the most sickest person. Listen. I ain't got that much money. It doesn't cost money. Or plushes. Huh? Yeah. All right, come on. Meanwhile, is there anything that you can do for my friend? Oh, heals. There you go. He can walk again. Oh my God! Thank you, Freddy. Ungrateful piece of crap. Whoa! Did it? Bleh, bleh, bleh. And that's how it lives. Happily ever after.